side video while the main dish is being made. So this is either breakfast or a snack. So this is going to be breakfast. This is going to be some Kodak pancakes with some blueberries and raspberries. There's really nothing in there because I already have them separated for the ones that I need. And we're also going to put some honey in there, some Greek yogurt, and some chia seeds. So this is about 14 grams of protein. When I add my peanut butter, I think we can probably get this to like 20 grams. And yeah, so we're gonna make some high protein breakfast muffins. All right, so we have our berries washed. I got raspberries and blueberries. We're probably not gonna need all these, but you know, we're gonna snack on a couple if we have any left over. So per the directions, just add water. It's gonna be about 14, let's see if we get a tight shot. So we're looking at about 14 grams. If we replace the water with milk, it's 17. And if we replace water with milk and add an egg, it's about 20 grams. So we're gonna go for that one. We wanna hit that 20 for sure. And these are already blueberry pancakes. Like I said, we're gonna turn these into muffins, because why not? All right, so I'm gonna add in some non-fat Greek yogurt. This is about 19 grams. This is about 18 grams of protein. So depending on how much we use, I don't want to use too much. Like I said, also we're gonna add some protein peanut butter, a scoop's worth. And then we're also gonna add some chia seeds. Just sprinkle it in. Then we're gonna add in some almond milk. That should be a spoon. And just kind of mix this all in. We're just gonna come in with some honey. I put a little butter in here so we don't stick. I'm gonna plop some of our mixture in here. Okay. And then we're gonna come in with some of these berries. I like to mix it up. And then we'll top it with that mix. Like I said, so this is already a blueberry muffin mix. I mean, pancake mix. So, but you know, go crazy. All right, so now we have everything filled up. We're gonna pop these in the oven for 350 for about 30-35 minutes. So our muffins are done. These are our high protein muffins. They're about 30 grams of protein. We're gonna eat 2 of them a day.